Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wealth Unlimited. Today in the series of talking about stock market updates, I got you news related to the Dow Jones Index. Further, we will be talking about the Nifty50 and Banknifty targets tomorrow. I will also be discussing the news related to the Ambuja Cement and why crude oil is falling globally. So before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and do hit a like button on this video. Talking about the Dow Jones Index right now, you will see that the Dow Jones Index closed roughly 200 points above from its closing point. So there have been speculations that people are buying more and more tech stocks in US market as the price fell for the tech stocks, and this is one of the major reason why Dow Jones Index as well as the Nasdaq closed in green today. Looking at the top news, you will see that there is a big news going to come this week related to the Fed interest rate hike, and I believe that the market can take a momentum after the Fed rate interest reveal. If it is in the favor of the market, then there are high chances that we might see a very good uptrend from the current levels in the US market as well as the global market, and this will definitely help Indian market also to breach the level of 18,000 again. Talking about the Nifty50 index today, we saw a 100-point rally in the Nifty50 index. The low which was created for the Nifty50 index was 17,429 and made a high of 17,667. There are very high chances that the Nifty index is going to open up tomorrow as a gap up, and it will roughly open around the level of 17,740. The level of 17,700 creates a massive support if we have a gap up opening, and if you are someone who likes to trade in Nifty50 index, then definitely you can look for the support of 17,700 for the support, and you can play it for 17,800 target. I see that the Nifty50 has taken a good support from the level of 17,400, and there are chances that we might see again a good rally tomorrow of roughly around 100-200 points. So let's see how the market surprises in the tomorrow session. Talking about the Banknifty index, you will see that again the Banknifty index gave a closing positively of 127 points. Again, not a massive rally for the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty made a low of 40,500 and made a high of 41,184. If in tomorrow trading session the Bank Nifty go above the level of 41,200, then there are chances that we can see a run up in the Bank Nifty to the level of 41,500 in near term future. Looking at the FII data, you will realize that again today one of the reasons why Nifty was up because FIIs did buying of 312 crore rupees, whereas DIs sold shares roughly worth of 95 crore rupees. There has not been a massive buying or selling coming in the FIIs data, which is one of the reasons why markets are doing pretty stable or trading between the ranges. The big news which is coming from the market or the global market is that the oil is under pressure as the traders await for the Fed decisions. Yes, throughout the globe, there has been a reduction in oil demand, and there are speculations that if the Federal Reserve is going to do a interest hike above 75 to 100 bps point, then there are chances that the demands can contract further, which can ultimately lead to the oil price going more below. So one of the stock or one of the sector which you can look in India or any other place in the world to invest is the paint sector. A lot of revenue and the profit margins of paint sectors depends on the oil pricing, because they are one who use crude oil in making paints. And one stock which I am buying or which I am betting to grow really or give returns massively in coming future is Berger Paint. Yes, this is one stock which has not performed really well in last couple of years, but again, this is the second largest manufacturer of paint in India, first being the Asian Paints, which we saw a huge rally for the company. I believe that this company has a good support at the level of 600 rupees, and it can turn around from the current level to give you a return of 700 or above in near term in 3 to 6 months. So the next news which I wanted to cover was related to the West Bengal government nods to Adani Tajpur greenfield port. As you see that again there has been approval for the Adani ports to expand further their businesses in the West Bengal. This is a positive sign for Adani Group, and I believe that the high PE of the stocks can be justified in the future, maybe or maybe not, but these companies, the way the Adani is doing the acquisitions and the growing the companies is huge commendable, and this will ultimately gonna help India to even develop their economy in much better rate. Due to this, there might be chances that you can see a uprise in the Adani port stock. Whether to invest in the company or not, I will leave it up to you. The next news I wanted to cover was related to the M&M. Yes, Mahindra and Mahindra, after launching the electric vehicle successfully, they have been seeing a good upsurge in their price. And all the automobile sectors, all the automobile companies are doing well in the market. And I believe that with the launch of EV and with the green energy or green revolution coming towards making things cleaner and greener, there are chances that the companies with electric vehicle like Tata Motors and M&M can do much better than the other automobile sectors company. The next news I wanted to cover was related to the Ambuja Cement hits new high, up 10% on Adani infusing 20,000 crore funding plan. So basically the Adani group is planning to expand the capex of Ambuja Cement as well as the ACC Cement. Definitely that is one of the reasons why Ambuja and ACC are growing or giving returns very nicely in last couple of days. There are chances that the stocks might fall from the top levels, but I believe that in long-term perspective, this company can definitely do much better than the other cement sector companies. There is a good support at the level of 500. If you find this particular stock at a level of 500, you can plan to invest in cement sector, then definitely Ambuja Cement you can go with and invest for the long-term perspective. Lastly, I want to discuss about the Harsha Engineering IPO, which stands at the rupees 240 rupees, which is a good grey market premium. In next 2 days, the allotment will be there, and all the best for that. I hope I was able to give you a good overview of the market. I tried to keep it short and precise. So before leaving, I just want to tell you, if you like this video, please make sure to share it with your friends and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.